Hi, my name is Maurice and I'm an orthodontist. When I decided to choose a plastic surgeon slash cosmetic surgeon, I did my research and I came up with Dr. Nazarian, and she has been amazing. I came here because of her reputation and I've only been impressed more and more as I've gotten to know her and her staff. So far I've been doing the Dermapen with Alexa and she's amazing. She's very professional. She knows what she's doing, and I strongly recommend Dr. Nazarian to anyone who's considering plastic or cosmetic surgery.